reading aloud to you Kit and Kaboodle, written and illustrated by Rosemary Wells. These are the stories of Kit and Kaboodle, who were very good, and Spinka, who wasn't. Sock Mischief. Kit and Kaboodle never made any trouble. So why did a mischief-making mouse wearing a little red hat come to their house? Nobody knows. Granny made shamrock socks for Kaboodle and daffodil socks for Kit. They wore them everywhere. But Spinka was not happy about the socks. The reason was that Granny had not made a pair of socks for Spinka's feet. The socks got very dirty. Mama tossed them into the washing machine. She turned the knob to cold water so the socks wouldn't shrink. Kit and Kaboodle waited and waited for their socks to come out of the wash. Spinka watched the twins drift off to sleep. Then Spinka turned the knob from cold to hot. When the wash was done, she pushed the door open and dropped a fishing line into the machine. First, she caught a daffodil sock, then a shamrock sock. Next, she popped them into the dryer and pushed the hot air button. Mama unloaded the laundry. Kit, where are Granny's new socks? I didn't touch them. Kaboodle, did you lose a shamrock sock? Mama, how could I? Kit and Kaboodle and Mama and Daddy looked high and low for the missing socks. None turned up. Kit and Kaboodle had to ask Granny to make new socks. The missing socks never reappeared. And the reason was the socks fit Spinka perfectly. Baseball mischief. Saturday was baseball day. Daddy dropped off a box of brand new snow-white baseballs in his duffel. Kit packed his cleats and his bat. Kaboodle packed his glove and his hat. "Ready, ready, ready to rock and roll," said Daddy. "I'll whip up some chocolate blimpies." Spinka was mad, mad, mad. The reason was that she was not invited to the baseball game. Kit and Kaboodle and Daddy zipped down the elevator and sped to Central Park on the subway. It was a perfect day for baseball in the park. "Where are the baseballs?" "In my duffel." But the baseballs were nowhere to be found. "What? Kit, did you take my baseballs?" "I would never." "How about you, Kaboodle?" "Double no, Daddy." So they had to play with one dirty practice ball. When Mr. Bobbleton hit a home run into the lake, the ball sank, and the game was over. Everybody went home. Honey, have you seen my baseballs? We smell chocolate blimpies. The baseballs got into the fruit bowl, dear. They went to eat their blimpies. Mama said, "Oh no, I made 4 beautiful chocolate blimpies. Now there are only 3. Who knew where the 4th blimpie went? Bath mischief. It was bath time. "Mama, where is your birthday bubble bath from Paris?" asked Kaboodle. "It's so pink and it smells so good," said Kit. "Just 1 drop each," said Mama. Kaboodle ran the water. Kit squeezed out 2 drops of Foam de France. Someone was hiding behind the toothbrushes. "I want the Valentine pajamas," said Kit. "I got them first," said Kaboodle. "It's spaceship pajama night," said Mama. While no one was looking, the Foam de France foamed up the whole bathroom. "Kit," said Mama, "Kaboodle, you used up all my bubble bath." "I only squirted 2 drops." "I only turned on the water." Spinka laughed her twinkly laugh, but no one could hear her and no one could see her behind the toothbrushes. Daddy read their story. Mama sang their good-night song. Suddenly they heard a faint buzzing noise. "Someone left the toothbrush on," said Mama. But it wasn't Kit, and it wasn't Kaboodle. It was Spinka with the electric toothbrush. Teeth clean, Spinka fell asleep making plans for tomorrow. Not for big tubs of trouble. Just a teaspoon of trouble. The end. I hope you enjoyed this story. For more stories, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a lovely day.